and she was just having got over-directed in order for you not to get a moment. You're going to blab on our video. And the background is coming from Renee DiMartino. I'm starting record.
I'm going to start it over.
Action for control. Check for evenness. Bring down the next 2 sections. Keep hair misted with water for even moisture and tension. The teeth of the comb are now used to control the hair. The position of the comb reflects the horizontal line to be cut at the back perimeter. Turn head to the side. Comb the front sections back to the established guide and cut. Comb the last sections down. Use the comb for control while cutting the hair. Follow the guide already established.
So again, on Tuesday when we were reading, we realized that we could do this as our last step, actually, our one length. We could actually go in and do the layers first, or do the one length first. So just keep that in mind.
Create a diagonal section about 1.5 inches deep, following the front hairline. This extends to the top of the ear. A triangular subsection is placed at the very center of the head. The corners of the triangle extend to the outer corners of the eyes. Comb this section straight down and cut to the desired length. This will be the guide for the front perimeter. Comb the right side slightly forward using light tension. Direct fingers and scissors up toward the guide. A slight angle will be formed. Repeat on the opposite side. This time, fingers will be positioned downward. Cut from the bottom of the section up to the guide. Bring down the next section and follow the guide below. A concave shape has been formed. The pie-shaped sections provide a visual guide of how each section pivots off the center parting. Based on hair's density, you may have more sections. Pick up the first section at the center front. The length established in the perimeter is your guide for the interior. Hair is held at 90 degrees. Pick up the next section. Comb hair straight out from the head shape. Now you will pick up a small portion of the previously cut hair. Cut to the guide. Subsectioning according to density allows you to take manageable sections so your guide is always visible. You have completed the front interior portion of this cut when you reach the parting at the top of the ear. Repeat the same sectioning on the opposite side. Follow the same process while cutting. Move back to center and pick up a small portion of previously cut hair. Use this as your guide. The size of the subsection you take is again based on the density of the hair. In the last half of the section, take a small portion of your guide, lift hair up, and cut. This hair represents the interior guide for the back. A vertical section is taken down the center back of the head. Pick up the amount of hair you are able to control in your fingers. Hold it straight out at 90 degrees. Cut to the guide established in the crown. As you progress down this section, continue to follow the shape of the head. Take as much hair as you can control in your fingers. Include a small portion of the guide from the section above the one you are cutting. This guide will travel as you move down the section. Lift hair in the section to 90 degrees from the head. This process continues until you reach the back perimeter. Pie-shaped subsections are now taken. To begin cutting this side, pick up a portion of the previously cut hair, hold straight out, and cut. Subsections should be small enough so the guide can be seen. Each new subsection will follow the shape of the head. Cut until the perimeter is reached, allowing a portion to fall away. This will maintain the weight of the established perimeter. When you have completed one side, move back to center. Create a subsection just to the left of center. Always include a portion of the previously cut hair. Hold this subsection at 90 degrees. Be aware of how the head shape changes as you progress over the rounds of the head. Your guide will travel with each new subsection. Comb and reestablish your elevation according to the head shape before cutting. As you move below the occipital, let the perimeter fall away. This will maintain weight. You have now reached the last section. Follow the head shape as in previous sections.
I feel like it's way down into the perimeter. Yeah, it's a little bit. Like you can see how far he goes. You know what I mean? There's no like to the bottom.
The haircut is now complete.
Like the super short in the front and then like
Choose the appropriate Aveda styling product, one which will add volume and support the set.